Hi, I'm Fiona and we're on Electric Daisy Flower Farm. I came to flower growing slightly late in life, so it's sort of my second career. And of course, selling a couple of bunches of cornflowers does not make you a flower farmer, it does not make you a business. And when we finally got our forever home, our piece of land, our field, the first thing I did was the compost bins. And I could see that that was how I could lay my flower fields. So we've got a motorway going through the middle here. I realised that I had to show the flowers in an innovative way, a way that nobody else had displayed their flowers before.